Hi friends, welcome to Raman channel. Today we'll see Laplace transform example. Find Laplace of t e power minus t cos ht. Okay. Now I am taking only cos ht. Laplace of cos ht. What is the Laplace of cos at? Cos hat is equal to s by s square minus a square. That equal to, here a value is the 1. S by s square minus 1 square, that equal to s by s square minus 1. Now I am considering t also, that is Laplace of t into cos ht, that equal to minus 1 whole power, here t coefficient how much? 1. This is t power 1, here also minus 1 whole power 1 into d by ds of this one, s by s square minus 1, that equal to minus 1 into d by dx of u by v formula. D by dx of u by v equal to v square, v into u dash minus u into v dash. This is the u numerator and denominator is the v. Now that equal v square, that means s square minus 1 whole square, here v into, and that means s square minus 1 into d by ds of s minus s into d by ds of s square minus 1. Now Laplace of t cos ht is equal to minus 1 into s square minus 1 whole square, s square minus 1 into d by ds of s is the d by ds of s is the 1 minus s into d by ds of s square is the 2s minus 1 derivative 0. Okay, s square derivative is the 2s minus 1 derivative 0, that equal to minus 1 s square minus 1 whole square, s square minus 1 into 1 minus s into 2s is the 2s square, that equal to minus 1 into s square minus 1 whole square, s square minus 1 into 1, s square minus 1 only, s square minus 1, this is the minus 2s square, that equal to minus 1 into s square minus 2s square is the minus s square minus 1 by s square minus 1 whole square. Laplace of t cos ht is equal to minus 1 into minus s square is the s square, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 by s square minus 1 whole square. Now we have to consider e power minus t also. We have to consider e power minus t also. That is Laplace of t into e power minus t cos ht. Now apply the first shift theorem by first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem. Now s is equal to, here t coefficient how much? Minus 1, that is s plus 1. According to first shifting theorem, replace s with the s plus 1, that equal to, now in this equation you put in place of s plus 1, s plus 1 whole square, here s plus 1 plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square, that equal to s plus 1 whole square is the s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 1 by, here the s plus 1 whole square, s square plus 2s plus 1 minus 1 whole square. Now Laplace of t e power minus t cos ht is equal to s square plus 2s, 1 plus 1 is the 2, this one cancel, that is s square plus 2s whole square. This is the our answer. Thank you for watching my video.